share with you today. 2018 C7Z06. Mr. Smith sent it to us from Nebraska. I believe it came in with just like cold air and headers on it. We completed our 1,000 horsepower package. Again, another road race vehicle. He road races it at his home state. We decided to go with our full heads and cam package as well as the Magnuson 2650 blower. The car made, I believe, 877 rear wheel horsepower on the dyno with a mix of 109 and 93. We backed it back down to about 830 to 850 for road race purposes, so you know it'll be usable for him on the track coming out of turns and stuff like that. This is the first test drive since we got off the dyno, so we're gonna again check coolant temps, oil temps, air fuel ratios, and just make sure it's safe for him to go back to the track and do 25 or 30 minute sessions. Not only did we do our 1,000 horsepower package, guys, we also did a full RPM roll bar. It's got the 6-point with the halos and the bar in the back. We did, I believe, 5-point harnesses for the driver and passenger. Right now I'm just wearing the factory seatbelt for comfort while we're out test driving the car, but at least it'll be nice and safe when he goes back and road races the car. Most of our customers, we keep the factory mufflers on it with the dual mode. That way on the highway they can have it quiet, or they pull into a parking lot, they hit, you know, open it up and make it loud. He wanted, obviously he road races it, he doesn't mind it being loud, so we installed the Corsa Extreme on it, and wait till y'all hear this thing. It is loud, but I think you'll enjoy it. Feels like factory, and they hold 900 to 1,000 rear wheel horsepower all day long. It really is a good clutch for whether you're racing all the time or for your guys that do want to street and strip it. You know, for daily driving, you don't want to have a clutch pedal when you're sitting in traffic that is just breaking your knee. I'm obviously not the biggest guy in the world, so a clutch pedal like this is money. If you watch a lot of our videos and check us out on social media, you see we do a lot of pro charger or centrifugal style blowers. For this application, again, the customer, he road races it, so we chose to go with the 2650, the root style blower, for the low end torque. So when he comes out of turns, he has the power he needs, even if he's at a lower RPM, let's say, you know, 2,500 or 3,000 RPMs, which hopefully he's a little bit higher than that, but in case, you know, if it's a short track and he has to be shifting it a lot, that low end torque with that root style blower really does help out. If it was a centrifugal blower car, man, you don't make any your good power until your 4,500 RPMs or above. So again, the main reason why we go with a blower like this, for road race purposes, of course, and then even your average just street and strip guy that just wants to feel the seat of the pants feel, the low end torque you get from these is just incredible. It's hard to beat. Alright, that was a fun test drive. Mr. Smith, you're gonna love this baby. Let me show you a few things on the car, guys. As you can see, it's got the 2650, the Magnuson supercharger, American Racing 1 7/8 headers, the AFE cold air. We do the Nick Williams 103 throttle body. And sorry, I'm talking fast, man. I'm really excited. That test drive was, man, these things are a blast to drive just because of the low end torque that they make. And still make 850 rear wheel horsepower on 93 octane and still be daily driven. God, it's so much fun to drive. It's hard to express when y'all are watching it inside the car, but I mean, it really plants you in that seat and it does not stop planting. We made a couple of 60 to like 150 pulls. Here out, I don't know what y'all hear from inside the car, but this exhaust is very loud, but it sounds so good at wide open throttle, guys. I don't know what y'all's thoughts are on the wing. Everyone has their own opinion on wings, so leave in the comments. Do you like the wing? Do you not like the wing? I don't know. I kind of like it. And on every high boosted application we do, obviously we add our breather to it. This one, you can see where we mount it. It like that, guys, so the actual airflow can go and direct it outside the hood, so inside the car you don't have that nasty gas smell and stuff like that. If you keep it under there, you have to keep the AC on recirculate and stuff like that, so putting the breather like that helps vent all that outside the vehicle so it doesn't smell really bad. So in the back you can see the RPM roll bar, guys. It has a 6-point in the front with the door bars, but in the back you can see where we have to weld onto the back of the frame. Again, keep him safe in case anything, heaven forbid, will happen out on a road course. You can see we did the 5-point harnesses as well for us street driving around. I didn't have them on. You can see the nice swing out bars that come with this kit. That way, if you are street driving the car a lot, to get in and out, no matter how small or big you are, it's very simple to get in this thing. And you can also remove the pin here and completely remove this for if this car is, daily driven. But when you're at the track, you shut it, and then we got pins that go on each door bar to lock them in place. Bam. Then you're good to go. Guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully there'll be plenty more to come. And again, Mr. Smith, enjoy this ride. You should have it next week.